I have another upgrade to the interior of the Porsche Cayenne. This is the newest product that Drimatt has sent out to me. So it looks pretty sweet. Not only is it gonna look nice, but it's gonna add some functionality to the vehicle. And since my vehicle does not come with the Sport Chrono package, Drimatt has sent me the adapters. So this is gonna just plug into the head unit, and this is gonna plug in to the back. So we'll go ahead and install this on the Cayenne. So there's a good comparison. This here is the main factory harness coming from the vehicle. So I'm going to disconnect this and then attach my adapter. And then the end of this will plug into the back of the head unit right there. Now I've noticed there's a USB here. I'm not sure what exactly that does, so I'll look into that. But before we plug this back in, I have to fish this through the dash and up. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. So I need to fish this connection to this opening here so I can plug into the back of that unit. However, the problem is, as you can see, there's very little space. Now with this cavity, you would think I would have access to the back of the head unit, but I don't. It pretty much goes nowhere. So I found what could probably work is just remove the speaker. So I already went ahead and removed those 3 screws. So with the speaker out of the way, I've noticed there is an access from here, and it goes through, can't see on the camera, but there's a little opening right here in the metal frame, and I think I could fish this through that opening, and that should pop up here. I can feel it. Anyways, you get the idea. And then so that connection is going to come up through here. You can use this existing hole that's right there and maybe just part it out a bit, just to make it large enough for my connection to fit through. So I think that's a better option. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a try. So I'm gonna port that out using a carbide bit. Okay, using my snaking tool, I'm hooked onto the connection and I'm just gonna snake it right through. Okay, so that worked perfectly. It'll easily go through that hole that I just ported, and it should come out on the back, which it does. So that's perfect. One last thing to do is transfer these metal clips. So there's 2 here and 1 up here. So there's 3 on each side, and I'm going to transfer them over. I'm done with the installation and I couldn't be any happier. What a fantastic mod to the Porsche. Like absolutely amazing. And really cool feature. I didn't know it does this, but it shows you when the doors are open. When you step inside here and turn it on, that's your clock. I do like the red background. I love the clock because it solves one of the issues I had with this car, which is with this head unit and with the factory Porsche, is the clock is very difficult to read sometimes, because I got a clock right there. It's very small. And the other clock that I depend on is on this massive screen, this little clock up here. And that's on when my navigation screen is on. But when I'm listening to music, etc., the clock there, it's very small. So that was one of the complaints. But now I've got a clock up here, which is absolutely amazing. Now, never mind how it's going back and forth. So the other thing that I've noticed with this thing is when your signals, your parking sensors go off, it does display the part of the vehicle where the sensor is going off. What an amazing upgrade. Like, this is absolutely awesome. So if your Cayenne doesn't have the Sport Chrono package and you want to add a bit of technology, I highly recommend this piece from Drimatt. It's beautiful, very functional. I absolutely love it. I really love it. I think it's just fantastic. What a fantastic product. Absolutely love it. What an awesome upgrade. Love it. Thank you so much, Drimatt. There's the new digital clock that goes on the dash. And as you can see, fitment, pretty much perfect. So I do love it because it looks factory. It's functional. And always nice having that bright clock right in the middle of the screen. Absolutely amazing product. So thank you, Drimatt, for sending this product. Absolutely love it. What an awesome, awesome upgrade. So I want to show you what this clock looks like during the daytime. As you can see, it's nice and bright. Just go ahead and start it up. Now, Drimatt has a newer version that is customizable, so it has different colors, extra features such as a stopwatch. This particular one is basically just a clock, and it's got a door indicator. So whenever you open your door or the hatch or the hood, it'll indicate on the screen, as well as if any of the sensors go off, it shows which sensor went off, which is actually really nice. Nice and bright. So great product from Drimatt. I think it complements the interior really well. Drimatt already sent me this 24-inch massive head unit and this digital console. They've also sent me a electronic gear shifter. So that will be one of my next installs, as well as a hidden dash cam that's going to go up here, and a 360 camera setup that I'll be installing. So great products from Drimatt. Great customer service. I love all of their products. I'm really happy with how everything is coming together, and especially with this latest piece. As you can see, it's a perfect fit, and the color is perfect. So thank you again, Drimatt, and thank you guys for staying till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.